Hey, what's going on? My name's Jeff Carpenter with Ready Light Media. Today I'm going to show you how I created this image in studio with just one light. The concept for this shoot was pretty simple. I wanted to bring the streets of Santorini, Greece in studio. Sure, I would have loved to shoot on location, but sometimes you just have to improvise. In order to mimic the bright Santorini sun, I placed my model in the corner of an L wall where I had a roll of blue seamless paper taped up to one side. I lit her with a single pulsey buff Einstein and a diffused silver beauty dish. This created a hard light source, but it was still beautiful and natural. One challenge I ran into on this shoot was keeping the energy level up on set. I wanted to be able to shoot rapidly and have my model move around, but with the look I was going for, my strobe power was really high, which made it have a really long recycle time. To alleviate this problem, I bumped the ISO on my camera up to 800, which allowed me to bring the level of my strobe down and have virtually no recycle time. Whether I'm shooting on location or in studio, I almost always shoot tethered. I want everyone on set to be able to view the images in real time and give their feedback so we can make sure the shoot's going in the right direction. Tethering directly into Capture One actually speeds up my personal workflow. I love being able to check focus right on set and not have to worry about whether I got it after the fact. Also, it might seem silly, but that extra step of dumping the photos from the card onto the computer, I hate doing that, so it actually helps that it's just tethered and they're already right there. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I also want to thank Westlight Studios here in Franklin, Tennessee for letting us use their space, and Red Baron Digital for capturing the behind the scenes video. And finally, shout out to Allie, my model. She was awesome and she made my job super easy. So until next time, have a good one.